Di kuris-kurisan sa hardware. Hindi ko alam kung dito ba talaga. But, maybe. We're going to City Hardware. Since we checked, there is no some accessories. No. Yan na, makapalito na rin daw makayawan sa We're here. This is my mom. Wants to buy some things. Diha, ma? Unit taplo, no? Okay. So, we'll buy this one. I will use it at school. So, I think this station is perfect. And it's only 55 pesos. I need to tipid. Ito yung unit taplo. Nalagis lingan. Ay, muapit tag-isa, no? Iton ko ni Mama Bayan. Pahuwi na lang ko, no? Magkano bukas? Magkano ba? Yes, ma'am. Okay, we're done buying. Then we'll go to another mall. So we're walking for a few minutes since traffic. We're here now. Five, four. This one. Cute. Hindi ako palit-palit na dyan ka nang mahit na ako akong goal. Ako not for now kay magamay pa man ko. Oh, deserve ni mo. Oh. We will go now to the grocery. So, this is what I want. With a lot of protein. There is a cheese ramen. Here, the spicy ramen. This one is a lot of protein. I think this 9 gram of protein, but this one is a 10. I'll buy this too. Oh, dito. Kaulat dire. Here. Here we have. Right there. Cheers. Isa. Yubi ito yun. Nasang mo ito mamagpap. Ah, this. Ano mo siya? Hindi mo kaliwan. So, we will choose some of this. Kari man na. Dili, pag yung gold. Kana lang. So, this is the biggest hardware here at the city.
Dapat ang kini dapat mo tapos pinili na lang pinili na lang. Alam mo dali lain klase nila. Kung priority pa. Ano ba sa pinili? Mixing na pareho ani, mixing ba?
Asan dito? Mas.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Magkasibo ka dali. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Going now to fruits and veggies. Wala, kamuting kahoy. Kamuting kahoy dyan. Kamuting kahoy, di ba na? Nay, kamuting kahoy, ma.
Kaya nag-gym naman ka, ikaw tig, kargador. Kargador.
Hi. Dito na tayo sa bahay. Tapos na tayo magsimba. And umiinom ako ng coffee with wheat and bread. More on protein siya. A little higher calories. Isang slice lang kasi kailangan natin mag-al-def. Hindi tayo pwedeng lumagpas sa calorie. Dapat sakto lang yung calorie natin for a day. Black coffee lang siya with no sugar. And this one. So, it's good for morning to have an energy, right? I'm not used to eat breakfast all the time. I need to have more energy for a day since around 9 a.m. I will do tutor 9 a.m. and then afterwards around 4 p.m. I will do tutor again. Just today, I'll do workout gym around 5:30, right, like that, until 7:30 p.m. Before, I am more conscious with my calorie intake. Right now, I am more conscious with my calorie intake and my protein intake since I need to build muscle first and I need to watch my calorie intake also. And that's all for my vlog and see you again next time. Bye!